Alright guys, Murray here with Murray's Mobile Mechanics, and welcome to the channel. Today I got a 2014 Toyota Venza with a 2.7 4-cylinder engine, and we are going to replace the charcoal canister. So I'll show you step by step. We got some evap codes, so let me flip the camera, I show you the vehicle, and then we go from there. So right now we're under the vehicle. Safety first, you can see jack stand supporting the jack right there, so we are good to go. So our charcoal canister is located just at the back of the vehicle, not too bad to get to. We got the shield, it's a plastic one. We got a 10mm plastic nut right there. We got a 12 right there. If you come down here, we got the star or Phillips head screwdriver that we're going to use to take that screw right there. And when you come this side, you got a 10mm plastic nut as well, and a 12 right there. So let me take those out and then we go from there. Alright guys, so once you take the shield out, our charcoal canister is exposed. We are going to take off this 10mm nut. There's one here, one there, and this is a 12. I believe these are metal and this is plastic, so be careful. And when we come this side, we're going to disconnect this connector right here. This is a plastic locking tab. We're going to actually, I think, find a way to pry it out, and then this pipe will come out. When you come to this one, all you have to do is just open these tabs. There should be one on the other side, and then this will pull out. This is an electrical connector, just press and pull. I think it's a plug-in. And then we got another pipe right there with the clamp. We just use a pliers to take that out. And then if you look, we got the same setup. We got a 10 right there, a 12 right there, and we should have a 10 again in the middle right there. So let me get those out and then we go from there. Alright guys, so we got all the connections off. This one, you have to find a way to pull this green locking tab off and then slide it out. For this one, you gotta make sure you open those ears from backwards. So I entered with a screwdriver from this side, open those and then slid it out. The electric connector, all you have to do is press on the tab and pull harder. You need to have big, strong fingers. This one was actually pretty tight. And then for the hose, just grab the pliers, press this one, and then pull the hose off. So right now we're going to take off that 12mm nut. It's a plastic one. We got a 10 right there, and I believe we got a 10 on this side. And then when we come this side, we got this 12 and 2 10s on the side. So let me take those out and then we go from there. Alright guys, so you can see we got the old one out, and definitely you can see we had a big crack right here. I kind of feel like a rock hit it and broke it, so it's plastic by the way. So we got the new one from Toyota. That's the part number right there. For certain parts like these, I just recommend getting a OEM part from Toyota. The difference in price with the ones aftermarket, there's cheaper ones and there's those that are actually even more expensive than the dealership. So we got that one right there. Let me take it from the box and then we install it. So that's the one right there. It looks exactly the same. You can see the setup this side. It's the same as that one right there. So I'm going to install this one. Off camera is pretty much the opposite orientation, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we got the Chaco Canister, the new one, back on. Every line, every electrical connector plugged in. This one, you gotta force it a little bit when installing. This one may struggle a little bit. You have to make sure you force it, and then you need to slide through the ridge and then lock it. This one pretty much easy, slide it in, it will lock itself in place. Electrical connector plugged in, and Toyota is cool enough. They provide you with a new hose, so you can see we took the old one out. So right now let me put the shield back on, and pretty much that should be it. Alright guys, so we got the new Chaco Canister in. We got the old one out right there, and pretty much that's all it takes to replace a Chaco Canister on a 2014 Toyota Venza with a 2.7 liters. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed, be good, and we'll see you on the next one.